Alright, y'all, just got home from work. I'm gonna do a late unboxing video. I was on my break earlier. FedEx came by, drop it off. But then I didn't have time, so I gotta leave to work. So now that I'm back home, I'm about to do an unboxing video. Alright, Skar Audio. Seems like they're from Las Vegas. That's where JP and I believe it was FI or Phi. That's where they're from too. Sick. Alright, normally order last time when I ordered the Avatar, it came in with 2 individual boxes. But with Skar, seems like it came in with 2 boxes in one big old box. Pretty weird package too. Seems like it. Yep, pretty well packaged. Good job, Skar. Alright, I'm gonna take these bad boys out of this box first. Alright, y'all. Finally got them out of that big box. Do 2 ohms, just like how I ordered. Seems they weigh around like 45 to 48 pounds. Pretty close to the Avatar. I think the Avatar weighs around like 48 to 50 pounds as well. Trying to open it up. Alright. Pretty cool black box. I mean, I heard a lot of people talk shit about Skars, but you know, I heard nothing but good reviews on this budget VXF. So, you know, give it a shot, you know. I mean, I tried American Bass, the HD before. That is also a budget sub. Can't go around trying out Skar too, you know. Manual. Skar decal. Wow. Not bad. I mean, packaging's alright. Here's the sub. Very beautiful. 3-inch voice coil. I'm not gonna do much review on this. It's kind of a YouTube channel that does it really. Pretty stiff. is a dual 2 ohm, just like how I wanted it. Pretty cool. Double spider pack, 3-inch voice coil. Seems like the magnet is about the same size like the Avatar, or it might be even a little bit smaller. I'll compare it. There they are. First time trying out Skar Audio. I've had a Sundown ZV4, American Bass HD, VFL, Nemesis Colossal, Memphis Mojo. I don't know. Forgot the rest of it. Heard these are better than the Skar ZVX.